Say, little mama, what's your name? Wanna take you shopping, wanna buy you fun thing. Stepping out in public, put them diamonds on your chain. Take you to the crib, I wanna hear you scream my name. Yeah, scream my name. Scream my name. You scream my name.
Welcome to our Cancun room tour. So before we get started with the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you turn post notifications on so you don't miss a thing. I'll bring a ding. And we're gonna get started with the room tour. So over here, we got a little coffee maker, coffee setup. Not a coffee person, but you know Dom is, so she might use this. Next we got like, under the coffee setup, we got like little shelves, spaced. You can put, I guess, like your shoes there, anything, for real. Got this nice decorative wall. And under the wall, you got this nice little counter, kind of nice, feel me? Then we got the mini fridge. If they don't tell you it's here, honestly, you might not even know, because it blends in right with the whole setup. Then next we got these 3 drawers. We ain't putting nothing in them. We got 3 drawers. Now we're gonna come over here. This is one of the best parts of the room. I'm gonna start right here. First, we got the bathroom. It's a little swing door, so they go both ways. Got the toilet. And the glass is not see-through. Hold on. Well, you may not. Can't see me, right?
Nope, just your shadow.
Yeah, so you can take a shit, wipe your ass in peace. Next, we're gonna come over here. This is a shower. More privacy. Door swing both ways, same thing. I'm gonna push this one inside. Come in here. We got the I guess the higher shower here, and then we got another shower. You can switch whichever one you want to do. Boom. And you can do boom. In case you want to really get up in there. After that, after you know, take your little number 2, wipe your butt, wash your hands. Nice little sink. Dawn got her makeup set up over here. Got the toothbrush, toothpaste, got the tissue. And I didn't even really notice until like the second day here. Got a nice little mirror to see yourself in. This mirror, nice, got the lights on it. Boom, take a pic.
Screenshot this, y'all.
You got the shelves, like the towels and stuff. There go your 3 towels for after you take a shower. They got the trash can. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I did the first night here with that. And we even got the sliding doors. Boom. Like that. Before I take the camera and let Dom give you the rest of the room tour, I'm gonna show you the closet. Nice little, and it light up. Don't mind our stuff. This is where we put most of our stuff at. But you know, got the nice lights at the top, nice lights at the under. Got the safe, gives them hangers, hanging stuff up. Rows for the shoes, as you can see. Got shoes and heels and stuff down there. Iron board.
The mirror.
And, oh yeah, and full body mirror, boom. So in case you want to check out your outfit after you put the outfit on, there you go, boom. Now I'm gonna let Dom give y'all the rest of the room tour.
All right, y'all. So first, I'm so excited to do this because I get to show y'all one of my favorite parts of this room. But come and follow me. First, we're just going to start with the small details. So we got our 100-inch TV right here. I'm just kidding. I don't know how big it is, y'all, but we have our TV right here. We have this nice long, I don't even know what I want to call it. I guess a shelf that, as you can see, we just threw all of our junk on there, but y'all get the idea. It probably looks nice with nothing on it. We have this nice little, I don't know, but it's cute, okay? Of course, over here we have our king size bed. We definitely need one of these at home. This bed was so comfortable, y'all, like, I'm gonna miss it. Over here, we have our nightstand and these cute little lights. Obviously it's the same thing on that side, but it's just one, but I think they're so cute. Over here, we have our nice little table with our cute little chairs. I love the theme here, everything. I don't know, I just love the aesthetic. I love the lamp. The lighting in here is great. And of course, we got this comfy little love seat, I guess you could call it, or sofa, whichever one. That you could just relax and lay out on if you want to. We have our Mexican art right here. So y'all know we in Cancun, we gotta have our Mexican art. Now, I just ran through that real quick, y'all, because one, it wasn't that much to explain, but two, I cannot wait to show y'all this. Before I show y'all, follow me over here. Let me talk to y'all about this view. So one, you can see the ocean as soon as you open up the front door. So as soon as you come in, it's like the first thing that you see. And also you can see the ocean from sitting on the toilet. So I really like that. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know. So come on and follow me. Let me show y'all the view. And one thing I really like, you guys, is this is not the only view that we have. We have a view in the back and we have a view in the front that we didn't even show y'all yet. So make sure y'all keep watching this video so y'all can see it at the end. But let me show y'all real quick. I don't know if you know this from the background, but I think it's really cool how you could be in the bedroom and see everything going on in the bathroom. So let's give them an example. So I could be laying on the couch right here and Dion could be in the bathroom and I can still see everything that's going on. Sounds clingy, huh? Sounds nosy, huh? Oh, so because we opened up the balcony door, the thing, like the windows, yeah, it's starting to get foggy. So you get the idea though. You can literally see through all of this as we explained to y'all before. Oh, he's gonna show y'all the toilet.
Because she loves this. So I don't know if you guys can, I'm gonna zoom in, but I'm sitting on the toilet right now.
Is it still foggy?
It's foggy, but you can see the water from here.
Yeah.
Like, it ain't that bad. It's foggy.
The view is amazing, I told y'all. Alright, so that is pretty much, oh, here. Alright, y'all, so that concludes the room tour. It really wasn't that much for us to show y'all, but even what we did show y'all, I have to say this is probably one of my favorite rooms that I've been in. Outside of Punta CANA, because we had a jacuzzi in the room. So make sure y'all go watch that too. We also have a resort tour coming soon. So I know a lot of people were looking forward to that as well, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm gonna just walk y'all out and make sure y'all catch the view on the outside.
Hello, mama, what's your name? Wanna take you shopping, wanna buy you fun thing. Stepping out in public, put them diamonds in your chain. Take you to the crib, I wanna hear you scream my name.